This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the base image and model so you can iterate fast. Load your updated Stable Diffusion Img checkpoint, pick a compatible sampler, and set image size to 512/1024 pixels for consistent results. Once done, set an initial strength between 0.35 and 0.8 to control how much the model rewrites the image, and decide whether to use a fixed seed for reproducibility or a random seed for variety. Make sure your GPU VRAM supports the chosen size. Now you craft the prompt and fine-tune parameters to steer the transformation. Describe subject, style, and mood clearly. Use commas to separate key attributes and include negatives to avoid artifacts. Then increase CFG scale if you want closer adherence to the prompt, and raise steps to 40/80 for finer detail while watching for overfitting. Once set, employ masks or in-painting where you want localized changes, and consider using reference images or color hints to preserve composition and lighting. Finish by iterating and refining until the image matches your intent. You should run multiple passes, varying strength, seed, and small prompt edits to converge on the best result. Then apply a high-quality upscaler and modest denoising to preserve detail. If details look wrong or you see artifacts, lower Img strength, add negative prompt terms to exclude unwanted elements, and reduce or increase steps slightly to stabilize output. One key tip: check VRAM usage and reduce image size or batch to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.